Next blood grouping is Rh grouping. Rh means rhesus grouping. It was also given by Landsteiner and Wiener. Rh or rhesus antigen. Rh is also antigen, and where it will be present? On the surface of RBC. So Rh antigen similar to one present in rhesus monkey is observed on the surface of RBC of majority of human beings. If Rh factor or antigen is present on this surface of RBC, then person is said to be Rh positive. If Rh factor or antigen is absent on the surface of RBC, then the person is said to be Rh negative. If Rh negative person is exposed to Rh positive blood, what it will form again? So the Rh negative person will form antibodies against Rh positive blood because it is the antigen present on the RBC. So when Rh negative person will have the Rh positive blood, so the plasma of the Rh negative blood will synthesize antibody against these Rh positive blood. What it will cause? Again, it can cause agglutination and clumping of RBC. So Rh factor play a very crucial role in childbirth born out of marriage between Rh, here it is given wrong, Rh negative woman and Rh positive fetus. Opposite can also occur here, that Rh negative child or Rh positive woman, but we will study the case where the woman is negative and the fetus is Rh positive. So what will happen? If the mother carries Rh, if mother is Rh negative and the fetus is Rh positive, then the mother's body can develop sensitivity because of the some of the red blood cells, they can cross the placenta. In most cases, the red blood cells of the fetus cannot cross the fetal membrane or placenta, but sometimes red blood cells of the fetus, they diffuse into the maternal blood through placenta, due to which maternal blood or maternal red blood cells, they produce antibodies against Rh positive fetus. Now during the first pregnancy, no problem will occur. The child is nearly normal and delivered safe. But at the time of the delivery, there are more chances of exposure of maternal blood to fetus blood, which will result in production of more Rh positive antibodies in the maternal blood. The problem will arise in the second pregnancy. If such mother get pregnant again with Rh positive fetus, then the fetus will be exposed to anti-Rh antibodies, that is anti-Rh antibodies which are produced by the mother in the earlier pregnancy. As a result, serious damage to the RBC of the developing fetus will occur, causing hemolytic disease of newborn or erythroblastosis fetalis. I repeat again, it will cause hemolytic disease of the newborn or erythroblastosis fetalis. With this, Rh grouping is complete. So we are saying that fetus, it will develop hemolytic disease of newborn. How can we protect the fetus during second pregnancy? By administering anti-Rh antibodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. So vaccination can be provided to the mother to for the destruction of the anti-Rh antibodies which are present in the maternal blood, so that the second pregnancy can also be normal. With this, today's topics are